Start.
Hi, I'm Anil Rawalpalli. My student ID is 2003682. Today, I want to discuss about a digital marketing strategy issues of Royal Dutch Shell. Royal Dutch Shell PLC, commonly known as Shell, it was produced by gas and petroleum by the Europe countries. It is the headquarters is like Netherlands and they incorporated with England. The Royal Dutch Shell company was the biggest, largest company in the world. The Europe countries was the third biggest large company in the Europe, and the worldwide the fifth largest company in the worldwide. The Royal Dutch Shell company was petroleum stations was 44,000 in the whole of the world, and the 70 countries it can be distributed the petroleum and gases. And the Royal Dutch Shell company was in 1929 is founding the chemicals, and the end of the year it is the biggest leading company in the Europe company. And by the end of the World War One, it is the distributor of the supplier of the petroleum in British government. During the First World War, the British government was founded the Shell is the best company in the British economy. Around the 1990s, the Shell is the purchased by the computers with the Netherlands is the best company in the world. Today I want to discuss about the introduction. The Royal Dutch Shell company's digital marketing process was emerged and the modern advanced with the researching process of the customers. And the customers attract the modern public effectively no long time to the individual strategies of management and decided to the drawbacks of the marketing strategies. The digital marketing process is like modern and advanced like in analysis, and the next topic was analysis. The analysis was we depends on like three digital analysis like SEO, and we are using like SEO and SEM and conversions of optimization. SEO means like search optimization organization. SEO means search engine optimization, and SEO is search engine organization. Like search engine optimization is when people will come and they can observe the digital marketing in quality and quantity. It will reduce the stuck to the people, and the marketing shell can be doesn't access the petroleum and the successful brand. The about 65% of the markets they using SEO technical attracts like MCA traffic on website. The 60% of the users they using Google and information about the deciders of the information category and strategies, and more than 60% of the smartphone less than users of the smartphones is quoting with the business of the through Google. By the next topic was models. The next topic was models was depends on we are using like ACCD model. ACCD means attract, convert, and close delight. It means like attract means when customer comes like stranger, when we need to introduce our quantity and our product, they are like visitor, and after if they can like they are like leads. After if he is interested, if they can interested like they are the customers, and after they are promoters, and they have to go some other person. They will discussing about our product, and we need to they are coming to us, and we need to improve our business. That is a recycling strategy process. And the user of ACCD model making the strategies, and ACC models on the most useful models of the marketing strategies. And the area, the model was designed with, they are not essential and strategies of model essentials attracting with the ACCD. The shell mainly focusing on the converting the strangers to the customers and brand. The main of the models will be can referred with attract and convert and close and delight. The user of the SEO techniques, intelligence on the model, the unknown of the customers attached with the usage of SEO technicals. For the next topic was result. Results based on the before they before they are graphing the how they are growth in the industrial companies choosing like graph along with the users of parallels of the initial role for the smartphones and the computers are changed. It will be covered by the sellings and buyers with the customers. Regarding the marketing process, Shell is the user of data for the benefits of the marketing strategies. And 70% of the internet users are interested to the getting the information by the through about the smartphones and like apps and some other things. And over 50% of the users when we source on the analysis of the brand value and for the brand value. Most large scale plans of the Shell was the spending the millions of the purpose of digital marketing in the products. For the next topic is recommendations. They are the various recommendations of the Royal Dutch Shell is the most digital and marketing policies of the business analysis. The first and thing is essential digital marketing process like Y and Z. It will comes like attracted with the attracted. And the strong marketing research and very necessary Shell is the successful digital efforts of the natural effects of the will be closed in the uses of the influence of the necessary. Influence of marketing. Google rewards on social media reviews and people will using the apps and something together. And the increasing the SEO and SEM marketing. SEO means like search engine organization. Search engine organization, it will reduce the like organization which is the part of the reduce the quantity and quality which struck the traffic of the united of the organic eligibility of the marketing strategies. SEO means like strategy, search engine organization and optimization. The keywords of the Google AdWords and social booking marketing and people seeing the reviews of the customer treating and everything.
Start.
For the next topic was conclusion. For the future digital marketing, Shell is quite enriched the applications of advanced utilizations of the systems. The various models of the organizations of the Shell is the main through the uses of chatbots will be approved and the Skype and Shell. The role of A1 and authorizations of the Shell is the main, focusing on the impact upon the digital marketing, manpower, devices and etc. The importance of the brand, the social media platforms of the investing upon the Shell is the main business thing for the conclusion. This is the marketing strategy for based on the digital marketing strategies of Royal Dutch Shell Company. And the marketing strategy like they are using like SEO and SEM and contract. The digital marketing will be SEO means search engine organization and SEM means search engine management. And the conclusion, they overcome this is the type of marketing if through the marketing energies and inverting the money and the advertising the Google reviews. The Royal Dutch Shell Company was based on their success into the continuing the strategies of the customers to the ACCD process. The Shell is gained the customers was loyalty by the introducing the model application of the introducing largest company in the announce with the service point. This is the customer's loyalty strategies of the 24/7 into the service helped by the Royal Dutch Shell Company was increasing their own business and thoughts. And the digital marketing Shell is quite enriched with the application advanced with the utilizations of currency system. The Royal Dutch Shell success into the converting strategies into their customer service and through the ACC strategy. The Shell gained their customers, the loyalty introductions, the people mobile applications and throughout the mobile application and throughout the Google reviews and throughout the Facebook comments and through etc. on social media, and there they investing the prices and the service points. The customers loyalty strategies of 24/7 customer service they can provide, they help the people and people will rectify their solutions and problem for the company, and they have to involve the people, and they have to solve the people problems. That is the success in the Royal Dutch Shell Company. And for the next topic was references, and these are the references I'm using this Royal Dutch Shell Company
Thank you.
for the issues.
Thank you.
Thank you for the